Hi guys, this is Ankita. So as we all know that summer season is going on and summer is all about mangoes. So I have come up with three simple and my good recipes of mango which you can try at home. So without any further delay, let's get started. So we'll be starting with mango ice cream. For mango ice cream, you need to take half kg of milk. You need to pour that milk in a container. So of course it is a mango recipe. You should be having mangoes. Okay, so until the milk is getting boiled, you can just peel off the mangoes and chop it in a very small pieces. So now I'm adding sugar. I'm using 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the amount of sugar as per your choice. If you want to keep it less sweet, give it a good mix. And as we wanted to keep the milk of half as what we have used, we can see the milk is completely half now. Let it cool down for some time and pour it in a different bowl. So I have already shaped the milk in a different bowl and I already chopped the mangoes. So I'm adding those mangoes with this milk. Give it a good mix again. So now we will be using pinch of elaichi powder for some good flavor. This is completely optional if you do not want to. Give it a good mix and now we will be shifting it in a different pan for refrigerator purpose. So I have taken this rectangle pan on which I'll be shifting this complete milk and mangoes. Now refrigerate it for 6 hours. Until then, hold your cravings. Okay, 6 hours are complete and we can see it looks delicious. Now we can see the texture. So as per the current shape and size, I will be cutting it into 4 different pieces. You can cut it as whatever design you want. Again, it is optional. And we can see it looks delicious and ready to serve. I have taken a clean plate to serve it and will keep all the pieces nicely. For topping purpose, you can use some dry fruits, but here I will be using fresh leaves of mint. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and will try it out. Let's head over to my second recipe, which is the easiest one and I just love it having it during breakfast. So I have taken half cup of chopped mangoes and I'm using a cup of milk. So make sure you're using cold milk, not the warm one. Now I will be adding a cup of cornflakes. Just mix it together and then you can use some topping like some seeds. So I will be using some flax seeds, some watermelon seeds. Recipe is all done. What are you waiting for? I hope you guys will try it out. This is one amazing recipe and my go-to recipe. Make sure the milk and mangoes are cold. Now let's go over to my third recipe, mango shake. And who doesn't like mango shake? So for this, I have taken half cup of chopped mangoes and some ice cubes. I will be using 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can again minimize the sugar as per your choice. And then I will be adding a cup of milk. After this, we will just grind it well. So the shake is all ready to serve. I will be just pouring it down in a glass. You can use any designer glass, normal glass to serve it. And for topping purpose, you can use some dry fruits. So I will be using here some almonds, some pieces of almonds. If you do not want to use any dry fruits, just drink it plain. So guys, all 3 recipes are done. I hope you enjoyed watching all 3 recipes and will try it out. Thank you. We'll see you next time.